Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add task in Asana. So this is very simple. First, scroll down to your project section and open the project where you want to add task in. Then simply create add tasks right here, click on it, and this will add a new field right here, and you can name your tasks. So task 2. Now you have successfully created your task, and you can click on it and add a subtask if you want. So this task can have a subtask. So subtask number 1. You can open it up like this, and as you can see, you can add a subtask for a subtask. So it is really this complex. You can do it really crazy. You can navigate right here. So if I open another subtask, I can go back right here to subtask 1 and to task original. Now you can also add tasks in this home page if you want, right here. So my tasks, you can create a task, new task, and like so. You can add a due date to this task or change any of these details if you want. You can add it to projects. You can even create dependencies, fields, so you can do all of it from here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.